Raj is saying from top of equity curve, I'm down only 0.3%. One winning trade covered some, though I know this, but it's playing with mind. It happens. See, there's absolutely no way you can avoid this. This is where trading experience will come in. I can give you a million logical reasons, but your mind won't accept it. It will only accept your own experience. Experience this whole thing that is going on right now. Don't try to avoid it. We try to mask our feelings. We try to avoid, if you're feeling really bad, start journaling. That is a very good idea. I'm not talking about trade journal. That you can do, but start journaling like just every day at the end of the trading session or whenever you are most engrossed in those emotions, write them down. Okay, I am feeling bad. I made this much money. I was feeling good. Then I lost this much money. I felt bad. My equity is at this particular percentage. It's bothering me. What happens, sometimes we need other people to tell you that you are not okay or you're looking sad or whatever it is. There were no mirrors back in the day. Like for thousands of years, we did not have any mirrors. So we could not observe ourselves. So we relied on feedback from others to understand how we are, what are we doing. Everything was a feedback from other people. Nowadays, we have so many things. We have selfies, we have mirrors for now hundreds of years, and that has changed. But the brain, it's like a huge cargo ship, cannot turn just like that. It takes a lot of time to change its course. So that is what is happening here. Sometimes we need external feedback. Now trading is a personal thing. That too, if you are struggling or new, you don't want to share things with other people, great, share it with yourself, write it down, and when you read it back, say a day or two after that, after writing it down, you will find that kind of feedback coming to you, and you will find it very easy to accept things. So write journals for 5 days, take Saturday off, come back on Sunday morning, take 15, 20, 30 minutes off and read through those 5, 6 pages that you have written. It will do you a world of good. All right.